Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a Fisher exact test for a 2x2 cross table using Python and my stikpetP library. I'm running Python version 3.12 in Jupyter Lab, but this should work with any IDE. The video will focus on just how to obtain the p-value, so I'm not going to discuss too much how to interpret it and which situations you should use it. Just bear in mind that this test does assume that your margins are fixed, so that might not suit your situation. To show you an example, I need some example data, so I'll load in pandas and then a data file with some statistics from a student survey or held among students. I don't need all the data, I just need two fields, so I'm going to be selecting where they did their secondary school and the gender. Remove any missing values using drop NA, and then I just need binary data because it's a 2x2 data set or cross table that I need. The gender is already binary because only male and female were selected back then by the students, and the generic school I'm just going to do the Netherlands, and anything else is going to be other. So let's have a look. A quick overview. So we had 15 males who did their secondary school outside of the Netherlands. My stikpetP library is not available directly. You need to install it via my GitHub account. So here's the link. And then once you install it once, you can import it just as any other library. I also have to install it myself. It might take a little while before it's actually completely loaded. You might get some warnings, but usually it then simply works. The function that we're going to be using is tsFisher. It only requires two input parameters, the field, which is either a list or a panda series, and the second list. Once this is all done, you can also select the categories. So if you have more than two categories, you can specify which two it should be using. Otherwise, it will simply use the first two it finds. Once the library has been loaded, we can actually just run the function, and in this case it's 0.2988. That's above the usual threshold of 0.05. We would therefore not reject the null hypothesis, and there's insufficient evidence to claim that there is an association between gender and secondary school in this population. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.